Hey everybody, welcome to English with Nate, where we focused on English words and grammar. I am Nate, and our word of this video is noxious. Noxious. In this video, we're going to talk about the meaning of the word noxious. I'm going to provide some example sentences, and at the end of the video, we will practice pronunciation. So let's get started and jump right in. Our first example sentence is the noxious fumes spread throughout the entire building. I'm going to repeat that 2 more times. The noxious fumes spread throughout the entire building. The noxious fumes spread throughout the entire building. So these harmful or deadly fumes, and just as a reminder, a fume is gas or smoke. So the noxious fumes, they started to spread throughout the entire building. That meant that if people don't get out of the building or the fumes are not removed, it could cause harm or death to those people. Our second example sentence is the noxious work environment caused several employees to resign. The noxious work environment caused several employees to resign. The noxious work environment caused several employees to resign. So the environment at this workplace was harmful. It just had a bad attitude, bad culture. So several people wanted to resign because of that bad culture, that harmful culture. So let's practice pronouncing the word noxious. I want you to listen to me. I'm going to repeat it 3 times first. Noxious. 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 So this time I want you to listen and then repeat after me. Noxious. Good job. Let's keep going. Noxious. One more time. Noxious. Just as a reminder, noxious is an adjective and it means harmful or deadly. One of our example sentences was, the noxious fumes spread throughout the entire building. If you like this video, please hit subscribe to my channel and like the video. That way I will know that you're enjoying the videos and I can continue to make videos that help you learn English. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you guys have a blessed day and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.